Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Jawbreaker tutorial and I'm going to be doing two looks using this palette. This being one of the looks that I'm going to be showing you how I achieved. This is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. I wanted to do this video all music and just showing you guys how I achieved this look. I will be showing you guys which colors. Of course, I'm going to be pointing to the palette and showing you guys what I used on the eyes. So if you guys have any questions for me, or just let me know if you guys enjoy this type of video down in the comments. And I don't want to keep this too long. I just want to get straight to the video. So let's go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can't keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of my life. You run, but I need you in my life. I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner, she still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her, but she knew I had nothing left to lose and everything to prove. I just wanna be loved by you. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth.
I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. It's definitely different, so let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already. You guys mentioned to me that not a lot of people were playing with the reds, the blues, the greens. So I just decided to use all of those colors and incorporate them into my looks for this video. So if you guys want to see more looks, please let me know down in the comments. If you guys enjoy this type of video with just music, less talking, then let me know. I think it's a lot less editing for me, so that'll help a girl out, and if you guys enjoy it, I enjoy it, then it's a win-win. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!